Hi, this video tutorial I will cover how to read configuration information from the web.xml using filter config object. Before you watch this video tutorial, please log into my channel and watch filter config introduction video tutorial. Then come and watch this tutorial so that you will understand this tutorial very clearly. Okay. Left side you can see the client. The client sends a request to the hello servlet. Before request reaches the hello servlet, first it will go to the my filter. So this configuration we can do it in the web.xml. In my filter, what I am doing is I am checking if the init param construction is yes or no. If it is yes, then I will just display the message saying the page is under construction, and I won't forward the request to the hello servlet. Okay. If construction value is no, then I will forward the request to the hello servlet. The hello servlet will receive the request, process the request, and send response back to the client. Okay. So basically, in my filter, what I am doing is I am reading that init parameter value, and based on that, I am making decision whether to forward the request to hello servlet or not. Okay. I will open Eclipse and I will show you the code so that you will understand very clearly. To explain how to read the configuration information from the web.xml, I have created this filter config demo. What I will do is I will deploy this project. Before that, I will just build this project. So project is built. Then I am deploying inside the Tomcat folder. Okay. Export. I am making a war file. Browse, and I am placing the war file inside Tomcat webapps folder. Okay. So filter config demo.war is placed under webapps folder of Tomcat. Clicking finish. Then I am going to start the server. Server has been started. I am going to access the web application using this URL. I am clicking on enter. So it is displaying welcome page content. So in this application, welcome page is index.html. So this is the index.html file. It has only one link, and when you click that one, it will send request to the server, and the URL pattern is hello. Okay. So I am going to click filter config demo link, and the request went to the server, and the server returns page is under construction. Okay. So when we click on filter config demo link, the request goes to the server, and the URL pattern is hello. Okay. So the server, what it will do is it will forward the request to the servlet container. Servlet container will check the URL pattern hello is there in the web.xml or not. So I am opening web.xml. So you can see URL pattern hello is there, and corresponding servlet is hello servlet. Okay. But servlet container execute my filter first, because we configured for the same URL pattern. First execute my filter, then execute hello servlet. Okay. So servlet container first it will execute my filter, then it will execute the hello servlet. Okay. Now we will see myfilter.java. So this myfilter class implements filter interface, and it has three methods. The first method is init. This will be called by the servlet container to initialize this filter. And second method is do filter. This method will be called by the servlet container to do the filtering process. And last method is destroy method. this will be called by the servlet container to take filter out of service. Okay, and so in init what we are doing is we are getting the filter config object. That one we are assigning to the filter config which we have declared in the top. Okay, then in do filter what we are doing is uh, we are just getting the filter name using the filter config object. Okay, so this filter name is configured in the web.xml. So if you see this one, the filter name is my filter. Okay, so it will get this filter name from the web.xml and it will print that. Okay, and next what we are doing is we are getting the init parameter. Okay, from the web.xml. So we are passing construction which we have configured here. Okay, init parameter name is construction and corresponding value is yes. Okay, so we are passing this construction to this get init parameter method, so it will return yes. Okay, and if construction value is equal to yes, then what we are doing is we are printing page is under construction. So that is what you have seen in the browser. Okay, and it won't forward the request to the next resource. So in this case next resource is hello servlet. So it will just display here and it won't forward the request to the next resource. Okay, suppose in web.xml if we configured this parameter value as no, then this filter what it will do is it will send the request to the next resource. Okay, so this if condition will fail, so it will come to this else part, so it will send the request to the next resource. Okay, so in this case hello servlet will receive the request and it will process the request and send the response back to the client. Okay, so we will see hello servlet. So hello servlet extends HTTP servlet and it has init method. This method will be called by the servlet container to initialize this servlet, and do get method which is used to process the request. So here what we are doing is we are just printing welcome to hello servlet, and destroy method, this will be called by the servlet container to remove this servlet from the service. Okay, and so here main part is how to read configuration information from the web.xml. So this is the code. Okay, and this is about uh, filter config demo, and thanks for watching. Bye.